Our commitment to health and safety is second to none. Doing that in an innovative way where we can showcase for other airports across Canada and around the world what copper can do.
We commend YVR's innovative spirit as the first airport in Canada to install antimicrobial copper on high-touch surfaces, which is a proven way to enhance safety. Airports are busy places, and YVR is leading the way in their industry to make public spaces even safer through the use of antimicrobial copper.
Teck is a great local company that has a global reach. Them being able to pioneer and demonstrate the value of copper right here at home is, I think, a great partnership.
We are proud to be a part of this important project and look forward to expanding the presence of copper in public spaces to support health and safety.